My name is Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. We have a nice gentleman with an Impala 2008 SS. His symptoms are sitting right here. You can see it. It says engine hot, AC off. It's hard to see, but here it comes. There it is. Now that's it, changing oil. I'm sorry. It's gonna come up. Service tires. Nobody cares about that. But what's happening is, there it is, engine hot, AC off. His fans are blaring and his air conditioner won't work. And this right here is not working whatsoever. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you the reason why this is happening. So if this ever happens to you, if your engine fans keep staying on and won't come off, come down to the sensor right here. This is your coolant fan sensor right here. And his reason of his problem wasn't the sensor. Let me see if I can pull the wire up. It's way down here. I can get to it. The connector is falling completely apart. I'm trying to get to it because it's way down here. Get my little finger down there. Let me get something to grab that for you guys. So I want you to see exactly what it looks like. And then I'm going to show you the solution to this issue, and it doesn't cost you a lot of money to fix this. So what I'm doing now is grabbing the wire because it's way down here, and one of the reasons why it's happening is because let me put the phone down real quick, and I'm going to pull the wire up to you if I can get to it. It's because this is so close to the exhaust, the wire loom itself has fallen apart, and there was no protection in the wire falling apart. I can't get to it up here. I'm trying to get to it. It's way down here. I'm going to do the repairs on the bottom. I'm just trying to show you what it looked like. I'm going to try one more time with my hand. See if I can pull it up. It's not a best area in the world to be. Here it is. I got it in my hand. All right, so his connector, let's see if I can zoom in for you. The connector itself has fallen apart. I'm the one that put that blue piece in, it was missing, and the connector is falling completely apart and shredding to pieces. So the part that the nice customer bought was 242 from AutoZone. Only cost about $20–30, and this is the connector itself. So what's happening is that that sensor is not communicating with the car, and the car is thinking it's overheating, so it's blaring the engine fans on. They stay on constantly, and it cuts off the air condition to protect itself. So the way I'm going to repair this is I'm going to have to go on the bottom of the car and pull the wire down and connect it. And what I'm going to use is 2 spades, male and female, and I'm going to connect these 2 right here. Here's the part number, and then the other part of the wire, you just connect it right there. It's just 2 wires. That's all it is. Once I do that, the job will be complete, and then I'm going to bleed the system. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.
It's hard to find knowledge about this on YouTube.
All right, so this is part 2 to the 2008 Chevy Impala of the wire that I was telling you. All I did is I took a male and a female spade and I made them as one, and then I'm going to put tape on it. So now this is going to replace the wire harness that was broken, which was his main problem, because these pins were completely messed up, and I'm going to show you. This is his original wire harness, and as you can see, the pins are completely messed up and everything is falling apart. So all I did is cut it right here and here, and then I took this part number. That's going to be for the spade. This is going to be for the other spade. One's male, one's female. And then the part number, where'd the box go? this is the part number that you can replace the coolant sensor wire harness. And this was at AutoZone. If you have any questions, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.